You might think your car's suspension system is just there to make your ride smoother, but it's actually the unsung hero that affects everything from your safety to your wallet. Imagine cruising down the highway, thinking everything is fine, and then bam! A pothole causes a jolt that feels way too strong. It's not just about comfort, it's about control, performance, and even how long your car lasts. So let's buckle up and dive into the 10 suspension secrets that most mechanics won't share with you unless you ask the right questions. And don't worry, by the time we hit number 1, you'll be amazed by the truth that could change how you maintain your car forever. 10. Suspension isn't just for comfort. It's a safety issue too. Most people think of suspension as the system that keeps them from bouncing all over the place. Sure, it makes the ride smoother, but it's also a key factor in your car's safety. Worn shocks or struts can prevent your tires from staying in contact with the road. This means less grip, especially in emergency situations like hard braking or sharp turns. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, estimates that worn suspension can increase your braking distance by up to 20%. Mechanics often won't mention this because they focus on the comfort aspect, but the reality is, your suspension is a critical safety feature that keeps your car under control. So, the next time you're thinking, it's just a bumpy ride, remember, it's much more than that. 9. Suspension problems start small and sneak up on you. You might hear a slight clunk or feel a small pull to one side and assume it's no big deal, but here's the truth. Suspension issues don't appear overnight. They slowly creep in, and if left unchecked, those small problems can lead to big repair bills. Take control arm bushings, for example. They're a common source of wear. Replacing them early might cost $100 to $200, but if you wait too long, you could end up replacing the entire control arm for $600 to $800. Shocks and struts are the same way. What seems like a minor issue could eventually put your car's handling and other components in jeopardy. Mechanics tend to wait until the issue is glaring before recommending repairs, so stay on top of those small signs before they escalate. 8. You can check your suspension at home. No tools needed. Here's something most people don't know. You can check your suspension at home with zero tools and without any technical expertise. The easiest way to do this? The bounce test. Walk around your car, push down on each corner, and let go. If the car bounces more than once or twice, your shocks or struts might be worn out. You can also take a look at your tires. Uneven wear, especially if the tread looks wavy or one side is worn more than the other, can be a sign that your suspension isn't doing its job properly. If you notice clunking noises when driving over bumps, squeaks during turns, or the car feeling a little off, it's time to investigate. Mechanics don't always check for these things unless you specifically ask, so it's up to you to catch them early. 7. Aftermarket suspension isn't always better. The allure of aftermarket upgrades. Who doesn't love the idea of performance shocks or lowering kits, right? They promise better handling, a cooler look, and a smoother ride. But here's the truth. Unless you're a car expert, these aftermarket parts can actually mess up your ride. Lowering springs might look sporty, but they can alter your car's suspension geometry, which could lead to poor handling and even tire damage. Performance shocks may improve cornering, but could make the ride much harsher. The worst part? Some aftermarket parts don't last as long as original equipment manufacturer components, meaning you'll end up spending more in the long run. Mechanics might not warn you about these pitfalls because aftermarket upgrades often mean bigger profits for them, so do your homework before making any changes. 6. Alignment isn't just for steering. It's a suspension game changer. Alignment issues are usually blamed for steering problems, but what you might not realize is that misalignment actually affects your suspension system. When your wheels are out of alignment, the suspension components like tie rods, ball joints, and control arms are under more stress than they should be, causing them to wear out faster. On top of that, your tires will wear unevenly, shortening their lifespan by up to 50%. Your alignment can get thrown off by something as simple as hitting a pothole or bumping a curb. Mechanics don't always check alignment during routine maintenance, unless you ask for it specifically, but experts recommend checking it at least once a year. It's a quick fix that saves your suspension and keeps your tires in top shape. 5. Suspension noise isn't just annoying, it's a warning. That clunking sound when you go over a bump or the squeaking noise during turns? Yeah, it's not just a sign of an old car. Those sounds are usually an early indicator that something's wrong with your suspension. Worn ball joints, bushings, and sway bar links are often the culprits. While these noises might seem harmless, they're telling you that these parts are about to fail. Ignoring them could result in a major breakdown, like a wheel collapsing inward. Mechanics tend to wait until the noise is persistent or loud before they recommend repairs. But catching these issues early can prevent catastrophic failure and save you from costly repairs later. 4. Your driving habits are accelerating suspension wear. Let's face it, aggressive driving is fun. Who doesn't love zipping around corners, slamming on the brakes, and gunning the accelerator? But all that hard braking, sharp turns, and rough driving over potholes puts unnecessary strain on your suspension system. Even parking with one wheel on a curb can twist your suspension geometry over time, leading to uneven wear and poor handling. The truth is, your suspension will last a lot longer if you drive smoothly and avoid sudden movements. Think of it like treating your car like it's made of glass. Gentle handling will keep your suspension in top shape. 3. Suspension fluids are often overlooked. When was the last time you checked your suspension fluids? Most people remember to check the engine oil and brake fluid, but suspension components also rely on regular lubrication. Many suspension parts, such as ball joints, control arms, and tie rods, have grease fittings that need attention. If they dry out, friction increases and parts wear out faster. Some cars with hydraulic or air suspension systems also need regular fluid checks to keep the ride smooth and functional. Mechanics don't typically check suspension fluids during routine services unless you specifically ask, so don't overlook this critical maintenance task. 2. Air suspension. Air suspension systems might sound like a luxury feature, but they come with their own set of problems. Instead of metal springs, air suspension uses rubber airbags that can crack, leak, or burst over time. The compressors that fill the airbags are also prone to failure. The worst part? When something goes wrong, air suspension repairs can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. Mechanics don't always warn you about the potential issues with air suspension, especially when you're buying a used car. If you own a vehicle with air suspension, make sure to keep an eye on the ride height, listen for compressor noises, and check for leaks. 1. Modifying your suspension can void your warranty. Here's the big one. The secret most mechanics won't tell you. Modifying your suspension can actually void your car's warranty. Whether you're installing aftermarket shocks, lowering springs, or upgrading to performance suspension, any modification to the factory setup can be flagged by your dealership as an unauthorized change. This means that if something goes wrong with your car, say, a broken axle or a failed steering rack, the dealership may refuse to cover the repair under warranty, even if the suspension upgrade didn't cause the issue. It's particularly important for cars still under manufacturer coverage or leased vehicles. Before making any suspension modifications, always check your warranty terms to avoid nasty surprises down the road. Your car's suspension is vital for both your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. By understanding its importance and staying proactive with regular checks, you can avoid expensive repairs and enhance your driving experience. Mechanics may not always share this knowledge, but now you're equipped with the facts to take control. A few simple checks and mindful driving can lead to big savings and a smoother, safer ride for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and car care secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.